on a hill where the water is sure to run into the street. And what's that up there? Oh, look, some irises. We're gonna go closer. Walking up our hill here to see some beautiful irises. These irises should probably be divided this fall, but aren't they gorgeous? Just a nice thing to see in the springtime. And I thought I'd share them with you. Irises in the spring. This is a nice healthy clump of irises. They're probably ready to be divided, only not right now, not when they're about to bloom, or not when they're in bloom. You wait until fall to divide irises in our region. Gardening with Soule. Thanks for watching.